Hello students, so today we'll be doing the question and answer of the chapter How, When and Where from the book History for the class 8. So question number 1, define the word history. History is a record of all known past events. Question number 2, what are the events that are usually recorded in history books? The events that are usually recorded in history book are war, crowning of kings, and events related to kingdoms and lives of rulers. Question number 3. Mention a few other events which, if recorded, will make history more interesting to everyone. Answer. Historians could write about the cultural changes in society, about how people traveled and exchanged news in the olden days, and about the livelihood of the people in the past. Question number 4. Who created the first map of India? Answer. Major James Rennell, an English geographer, historian and pioneer of oceanography, prepared the first map of India. He was directed by Major General Sir Robert Clive to prepare the map. Question number 5. Why is it important to have dates or time frames while writing history? Answer. We need dates and time spans to divide the history book into chapters. It is necessary to give each chapter some consistency. Dates help us record history in a way that makes some sense and can be followed. Dates also help historians to focus on those particular events about which they are writing. Question number 6. Who wrote the book The History of British India? Answer. The History of British India was written by James Mill. James Mill was born in 1773. He was a Scottish historian, economist, political theorist and philosopher. His greatest literary achievement was this book. Question number 7. What is colonization? The subjugation of one country by another in which the British established control over the economy and society and brought changes in values, tastes, customs, political, economic, social and cultural changes. We refer to the process as colonization. Question number 8. Why is the book named as Our Pasts in plural? Answer. All classes and groups didn't experience the same kind of political, economic, social and cultural changes in the same manner. That is why the book is called Our Pasts in the plural. Question number 9. How were historians able to write about the last 250 years of Indian history? Answer. The historians were able to write about the last 250 years of Indian history from the official records maintained by the British administration. Last question, question number 10. How were records preserved during the British rule? Answer. Archives and museums were established to preserve important records during the British rule. So this is all about some extra question and answer from the chapter When, Where and How. That's all. Thank you.